Welcome back to Sholz TV. Today we're going to be making some peppered snail. This is absolutely one of my favorite recipes, guys. So to get started, go ahead and clean your snail. I have here about 10 large snails. And then we're going to season and cook it until it's tender. So for seasoning, I'm using a Maggi Cube, some adobo, some salt, some curry powder, and some dried thyme. So go ahead and just add some water in there, not too much, about half a cup to a cup, and let that cook until it's tender. Cook it on medium to low heat. And while that's cooking, let's go ahead and get our vegetables ready. I have here Roma Tomatoes, onions, bell peppers, habanero peppers, and some ginger and garlic for flavor. Slice your tomatoes, slice your bell peppers, or you could chop them, whatever you want. I'm chopping my onions, and of course some spring onions here. And I'm also gonna chop up my habanero pepper. If you don't like it spicy, you can use 1 or 2. I'm using 3. I like it spicy, guys. So now our snail is ready and tender. We're gonna go ahead and just take it out of the pot and preserve the stock that comes out of it. Clean your pot and bring it back. Add some canola oil and we're gonna fry our snail. Just gonna fry it very lightly. You don't want to over fry, you don't want it to get hard. If you over fry your snails, they're gonna get really hard. So just a light fry. Flip on both sides and then take it out. Keep your oil in the pan and bring it back. Add your vegetables. We're gonna start off with the onions, some garlic and ginger, and then your habanero pepper. Let that fry until your onions turn translucent, and we're going to add the rest of the vegetables. Now we're going to add our tomatoes and bell peppers. Throw that in your saucepan, mix it around. Turn the heat up on high. We want those tomatoes to get tender and saucy. Now put back your stock, your snail stock. Pour that back into your sauce. Now you can taste and adjust your seasoning. I went ahead to add a little bit more thyme, about half a teaspoon, and some paprika as well. Add your spring onions, just half of it, and keep the other half for garnishing. So mix that all together, let all those flavors combine. And now go ahead and add your snail back into the pot. And we're gonna combine that with our sauce. And we're gonna cook that on medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. And this is what it looks like. It smells so good, guys. I can't wait to dig in. This is absolutely one of my favorite dishes to make and to eat. It's tasty, it's spicy, it's flavorful. I hope you try this recipe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you think in the comments below. Now we're gonna go ahead to taste it. I served mine with some boiled rice, some vegetables, and some fried plantain. It is so good. I'm gonna bite into my snail now. You all, don't miss out on this recipe. Make sure you try it out. And you can pepper any other meat just the same way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!